I'm an artist, painter and illustrator, and today I'm going to show you how to paint this landscape using Procreate. Alright guys, so here we go. I start with a blank canvas. I use a texture underneath, like paper texture, which actually came in the watercolor max pack. And I'm sketching the main shapes. I want to include a climber and a little tent and obviously the mountain. The mountain was named the most beautiful mountain in the world, like in 1966 I believe, by a German magazine. It's called Alpamayo, which comes from the Quechua Alpa, which means earth, and Mayo, which means river, and that's translation of earth river. It's also called 𝕧𝕚𝕕𝕖𝕠, which means mountain with snow. So it's actually a beautiful name for a very stunning mountain. Colors I'm using basically are warm for the lights and more bluish tones for the shadows, and to give it a contrast between the light and the shadows. And I decided to paint the climber and his tent or her tent with orange to make a contrast with the bluish tones and to make it pop out and to make him or her face the mountain and its beauty. So I'm just defining the shapes here and adding some more detailed lines. I'm using a brush from the Watch Max pack, and yeah, basically that's all. I couldn't decide very well on the shape of the sitting on the snow, but I decided, yeah, screw it. Let's keep the person simple and genderless, just so anyone can relate to that. I'm cleaning out the borders, signing and putting the name. I hope this was useful for you guys.